What the fuck? What is he doing to his friend? This is real nature right here in the making, fellas. This is what the fuck? He eating it. Cannibalism. Cannibalism in the making, fella. I'm showing you this live from Steezo TV. This is some shit never caught on film. Amazing. It's fucking amazing. Look at that shit. He is eating his ass. That's crazy. This is the first in history ever caught on film, people. Look at this. Look. First time ever on film. Oh my goodness, he is eating his ass up. Really eating him. He's done. It's a wrap. He is not stopping. That's as real as it gets.